self-wonder.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of?
What do you see?
Magic.
And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know?
Where are we? We're home.
Somewhere only we know.
Let's lay in the dead grass, stare at the stars, run away